Hey guys, Jared here with 5-Pack Magic, and Tyler is out there hiding with 5 Evolving Skies booster packs that we're going to open as soon as we find him with this Mavic Mini drone. So let's go have some fun. All right, so we found Tyler with the 5 Evolving Skies booster packs. I'm gonna open a couple. Tyler's gonna open a couple. Which ones do you want, Tyler? You want those two? All right, cool. So I'm gonna dive right in. We'll go one for one. And this is a cool little lake by our house. Got some ducks swimming around and some geese swimming around, and it's super windy out here. The drone was having a hard time. All right, let's check things out. So Evolving Skies, the newest set by Pokemon, and it's been absolutely awesome. If you guys are online watching what people are pulling, they are pulling cool cards. There are so many alternate cards, and there's our first reverse holo rare, Victini, rare of the pack, Lilligant. All right, go ahead, Tyler. But yeah, there are just so many alternate artwork cards that people are pulling, and it's so cool. And me and Tyler decided to come out here and play with the drone, see what was going on. We were gonna go fishing, but it's not a great fishing lake. So we figured we'd just play around. All right, go ahead. You can say them nice and loud.
Vigoroth, I think. Dream Ball. Zinnia's Resolve. Pumpkaboo. Carvana. Gossifleur, I don't know. Fletchling.
I don't know them all either.
Scraggy.
Ooh, there we go. Another reverse holo
cool.
rare. Dragon types are back in this set.
Dialga. And Gourgeist.
All right, my turn. Duraludon right there on the front. If you watched one of my previous videos, we pulled Duraludon so many different ways. We pulled him, I believe, full art, rainbow, pulled the alternate version in that 3-pack blister that we got from Target. I went back there actually to see if we could get some more because they were so lucky and they were already all out. Time pull. Eevee with Rayquaza in the background, one of my favorite common, uncommon cards of this series. Hitmonchan, another one of my favorite. And rare of the pack. There we go. Full art Glaceon V.
That's cool.
Super cool.
Is that an alternate?
Nope, that is just a full art, but right up there. So go ahead, Tyler, open yours up.
It's gonna go in the Eevee Evolution.
Can I grab the sleeves over there?
It's gonna go in the Eevee Evolution Hall of Fame.
It is gonna go in the wall. Do I have?
I don't think
I'm gonna have to look. I have a Glaceon VMAX, I believe, so I'm not too sure.
White.
Awesome.
Alright. Aroma Lady. Moon and Sun Badge. Pyroar. Emolga. Slakoth. Glossifleur. Luvdisc. Fletchling. Reverse holo. I don't know. Floette. And
ooh, holographic Galarian Moltres. We don't have that one yet. You drop every single one of my Pokemon cards. All right, guys, last pack of Evolving Skies. Excuse me. And at least we get to finish off on a white code card. Let me get in front of this camera here. 4 to the back, and Fighting Energy. Lombre. Full Face Guard. Hypno. Tentacool. Hoppip. Deino. Mareep. Wobbuffet. And rare of the pack and last rare of the video, Holographic Hydreigon. I'm so bad with the names too, but another super cool card. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you had fun with us today. Thank you for subscribing and all the support. And let's put up a couple cool cards on the camera real fast. Of course, the full art V. Sorry, we're all over the place sometimes, but thank you for watching, and we will see you guys next time. Bye.